Hi everyone! In today's video, let's make a delicious Vietnamese pomelo salad together. This dish is light, refreshing, and has the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. It's crunchy, juicy, and a great choice for a light meal or an appetizer for special gatherings. This salad is a wonderful combination of sweet and juicy pomelo, tender shrimp and pork, fresh herbs, and a flavorful sweet and tangy fish sauce dressing, all coming together for a perfect bite. To serve 4 people, I'm preparing 1 pomelo, 300 grams of pork, and 300 grams of fresh shrimp. I'm also adding 50 grams of onion, 150 grams of carrot, and 70 grams of fresh herbs. Today, I'm using basil, mint, and Vietnamese coriander. Besides that, I have 1 garlic bulb, some fresh chili, and 100 grams of roasted peanuts. For the dressing, I'll be using fish sauce, fresh lime juice, sugar, and water. First, clean the shrimp with salt water before cooking. Add a bit of water to a pot, along with 1 to 2 stalks of lemongrass and a few slices of fresh ginger to give the shrimp an aromatic flavor. Bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, add the shrimp and cook on high heat for about 5 minutes until fully cooked. Remove the shrimp, let them cool slightly, then peel off the shell, leaving a small part of the tail for a more visually appealing presentation. Make sure to remove the black vein along the shrimp's back, then rinse them again with warm water and set aside. Next, let's cook the pork. Add half an onion into the boiling water. This helps enhance the meat's sweetness and aroma. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 18 minutes until fully done. Once cooked, take the pork out and let it cool. Then, slice it into thin, bite-sized pieces. For pomelo salad, I recommend using pork belly or pork shoulder, as they have a nice balance of fat and lean meat, making the salad more flavorful without being too dry. To extract the pomelo flesh, first, cut off both ends of the fruit. Then, peel off the outer green skin. After that, lay the pomelo horizontally and cut it in half. You can easily see the fruit segments inside. Separate them, and if there are any tough membranes left, remove them to get clean, juicy pomelo flesh. Today, I got about 600 grams of pomelo flesh from this fruit. Aside from pomelo, shrimp, and pork, we're adding onion and carrot to enhance the freshness and crunch of the salad. Thinly slice the onion into wedges and julienne the carrot into thin strips. For fresh herbs, we're using basil, mint, and Vietnamese coriander. Wash them thoroughly and cut them into 2 to 3 centimeter pieces. The final touch is roasted peanuts. Remove the skins and crush them slightly to add a nutty and creamy flavor to the salad. A great pomelo salad isn't just about fresh ingredients. It's also about the perfectly balanced dressing. The dressing is a mix of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors that make this dish truly irresistible. For the dressing, I'm using 1.5 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, and 2 tablespoons water. Stir well until the sugar completely dissolves. As I mentioned, the dressing can be adjusted depending on the sweetness or tartness of your pomelo. Feel free to add more sugar or lime juice as needed. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and some chopped chili for a spicy kick. And that's it. Our delicious salad dressing is ready. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, it's time to put the salad together. First, add the shrimp and pork to a large mixing bowl. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dressing and toss gently to coat them evenly. Next, separate the pomelo flesh into smaller bite-sized pieces and add them to the bowl. Then, add the carrot and onion, followed by half of the dressing. Mix everything gently so that the ingredients absorb the flavors. Now, add the fresh herbs and most of the roasted peanuts, then pour in the rest of the dressing. Toss everything together one last time, and our Vietnamese pomelo salad is complete. Transfer the pomelo salad to a serving plate and sprinkle the remaining crushed peanuts on top. Look at how vibrant and colorful this salad is. The refreshing sweetness of pomelo, the juicy shrimp and pork, the crunch of fresh veggies, and the fragrant herbs, all combined with the perfect dressing, make this dish absolutely irresistible. Try making this salad at home using my recipe and experience one of Vietnam's most delicious and refreshing salads. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese recipes. See you in the next video.